This election is the make and break of Nigeria. Let me say why. For argument's sake, there's always what they call for argument's sake. It's about an argument's sake. And when intellectual law, an argument's sake is not confirming something. Let me start from the bottom. Peter Obi becomes the president. For argument's sake. How do you think Nigeria will run for 4 years of Peter Obi? Should Peter Obi becomes the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, it will become a terrible disaster in Nigeria. You know why? Within the Nigeria context today, for argument's sake again, nobody likes the Igbo people, even the Yorubas. Nobody likes the Igbo people because some Yorubas believe that the Igbo people also have an hidden agenda. Just as we, the Yoruba, must also have an hidden agenda. But one particular tribe among us will do everything to make sure that an Igbo presidency does not happen. And that is the Fulanis and the Hausas. When they say that the most ethnic group that hate the Igbo people is the North. So how do you think that the northern part of Nigeria today, in 2023, in just about a few more days, 9 days before the general election, would endorse the president of an Igbo man in Aso Rock in Nigeria today? Oh my God, I don't see that happening. Kasala go bust for Nigeria. I'm still talking about Peter Obi now. Nigerians, I know you love Peter Obi. I don't hate him, but I don't see him as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I understand, the zeal, the passion, the energetic of Nigerians, that they want a change, and that change will probably make Koiki to tempo down a little bit, because when Peter Obi gets there, he will probably do some things, probably say, okay, I release Nnamdi Kanu, Igbo, don't worry, come back to Nigeria. We can continue to have a roundtable, and Peter Obi will be having roundtable conversation with us as the Biafra and the Yorubas until he will leave after 8 years and he will abandon that.